Do you think you need to show your face, record your voice, or spend hours learning to be successful on YouTube? This video will change your mind. I just found a very strange faceless channel. It started less than 7 months ago. With fewer than 40 videos, it already has tens of thousands of subscribers and millions of views. The crazy part? Almost every video gets thousands of views. Tools show that the owner makes lots of dollars every month without ever being seen or saying a word. In this video, I will show you step by step how to build a channel like this. I will show you what to make, which tools to use, how to find ideas that get views.
The best part is that you can do this for free with AI. From the scripts and voices to the images and editing, some people finish a video in only 15 to 20 minutes. But how is this so fast? It's because they automate a big part of the work. In this video, I'm going to show you the secret to automating image production. This will make your work much faster than you think. I want you to follow this video step by step. Each part is important for the next one, so if you want to understand everything perfectly, make sure to watch until the very end. Don't worry about the prompts for this tutorial. I have put all of them in a Google Drive folder, and you can find the link in the description below.
Now, the main question is, why do so many people still not start? It's because they are waiting for the right time. But the truth is, the right time does not exist. Every day you wait, you give someone else the chance to grow. So, let's start together right now. First, click on your YouTube profile icon and go to the Switch Account section. From there, select View All Channels and click the Create a Channel button. Now, you need to choose a special name. I chose Grow for Next because it fits my brand perfectly. It is very important that your handle is unique. To get the green check mark showing the name is available, I used the number 4 instead of 4 to make sure the ID was free. Remember, you can use any name you like for the name section. There are no limits there. Finally, click Create Channel. Wait a moment, then select your new channel from the list. Congratulations! Your channel is ready, and now it is time to customize it. First, your channel needs a professional logo. I'll copy the YouTube logo prompt from my list and paste it into ChatGPT. After picking a name, I click the plus icon and choose Create Image to start the AI. I hit Generate to create the logo. Then I download the image. Next, I go to the Customize Channel section and upload it under Picture. After a quick refresh, our new logo is live. Now, let's talk about the channel banner. I follow the same process I used for the logo. After downloading the image from ChatGPT, I go to Customize Channel and upload it as the banner image. When I refresh the page, you can see the banner is now active. Next is the channel description. For this, I use a prompt called YouTube Description. I put it into ChatGPT, add my details, and get the text. Then I paste it into the description section in Customize Channel. I refresh the page again, and now the description is visible. Congratulations, we have finished setting up the channel and have everything we need to start. Now it's finally time to create some content. You've probably seen other tutorials where YouTubers use ChatGPT to write their scripts. Honestly, I think that's a mistake. Why? Because AI doesn't always understand what people really want to watch or what is trending right now. To be successful and get many views, you need to create content that answers your viewers' actual needs. So, how do you find a viral topic? My method is to check my competitors. I look at their videos and see how many views they get in a short time. For example, look at this video here. It got 2,200 views in only one day. That is a very good sign. Now, I will click on it and open it in a new tab. Here is my process. First, I extract the text from a competitor's video. Then I rewrite it using AI so that I keep the main concept but make the content completely unique. Finally, I plan the scenes for the video. To start, first, you need to extract the video content. Because YouTube does not allow teaching this method outside its platform, I can't explain it directly, but with a simple search, you can easily find the solution. Next, I'll open the text file I just downloaded. It's time to rewrite this using AI to make the content unique. Since this text is quite long, I first need to check how many words it has. Why is this important? Well, when I give instructions to the AI, I want the new version to be about the same length. So I'll select and copy the whole text. Then I'll go to a word counter website and paste it in. As you can see, it has 1,745 words. I'm going to round this up to 2,000 words, and I'll explain exactly why I'm doing that later.
Now I'll go back to my prompt list and copy the content polishing prompt. Finally, I'll open the Grok website, drag and drop my file, and paste the text I copied. But why Grok? In my opinion, Grok is much better than other chatbots for long and difficult texts. I am certain that no other AI tool is as good as Grok at creating long content.
I believe this so strongly that I am ready to defend my claim. Actually, I challenge anyone who disagrees with me. If you agree, let me know so I can see how many of us feel the same way. Back to the tutorial. I am setting the word count to 2000 and clicking Generate. Okay, the text is ready. Let's paste it into the word counter. The result? 1,569 words. You see, even though I asked for 2,000, it gave me about 1,500. This is why I always choose a higher, round number at the start. It's the only way to make sure I get the amount of text I actually want. Now, to generate the images, I first need to create a consistent character for all my videos.
I'm using a random photo from the internet, but I suggest using your own photo so your channel is fully branded. I'll copy the image to illustration prompt and give it to ChatGPT with my photo to create a cartoon version of my character. How cute is this? I've downloaded the file and now we are ready to generate the images for the story. Now let's go back to the prompt style. I'll copy the narration to scene prompt and scroll up. I'm going to set the number of scenes to 10. This is where I will paste my narration, but first, I need to check the length. Let's head over to the word counter website. I'll select part of the text, and as you can see, the speaking time is about 1 minute. I think 10 scenes will work perfectly for this.
I'll copy the text, go back to ChatGPT, and paste it right where it says, Put narration text here. Finally, I'll click Generate to create the scenes. As you can see, every scene has 3 parts. The first part is the narration text. This helps me match the voice with the right image while I am editing. The second part is the scene number and the prompt I use to create the image. The third part shows if Aaron is in the image or not. Aaron is the name of my character. The name is not actually important because it does not change how the photo or video is made. You can also use the name Aaron if you want. Now I want to show you a special method for making images that you probably haven't heard of before. With this technique, you can create all your scenes very quickly.
If you don't like a result, you can just generate it again instantly. I'm going to show you the fastest way to make images using a mix of manual work and automation. This is helpful because creating visuals is usually the hardest and most time-consuming part of making content. First, go to Google and search for AutoWhisk. Open the Chrome Web Store and add the extension to your browser. I recommend pinning it for easy access. After that, set the language to English. I have already made a full tutorial about AutoWhisk. You can click the link in the top right to watch it, but for now, I'll just show you a quick version. Go to your prompts and copy this text. In this prompt, I asked for scenes where Aaron is present and scenes where he is not.
Paste the text into the prompt box and click Generate.
It will create all the different scenes for you separately. First, I go to the scenes where Aaron appears. I select them, copy them, and paste them here. As you can see, the tool has found 7 scenes with Aaron. The AutoWhisk extension works in a specific way. Every new line means a new scene prompt, so be very careful that your text does not have extra lines unless you want to create a new scene. Since these scenes feature Aaron, I go to the Reference Images section. I add Aaron's cartoon picture as a reference and type his name in the image caption box. Then, I click Done and select the Start button. Because AutoWhisk uses the Whisk tool, the website opens as soon as you click Start. If you are not logged in, it will ask you to do so.
I am already logged in, so it skips that step and begins uploading and creating the images. Finally, the images download automatically and are saved in your Downloads folder inside Whisk Downloads. Alright, all the scenes with Aaron are now generated and downloaded. Now I am moving on to the scenes where Aaron does not appear. I select them, copy them, and paste them. Next, I go to the Reference Image section, delete Aaron's photo, click Done, and press Start. Now all the scenes are ready. As I mentioned before, the photos are saved in the Whisk Downloads folder. Let's look at the results together. Wow, they look fantastic and very professional. Honestly, they couldn't be better. Efficiency is key in the YouTube game. If you're loving this speed, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe for more pro AI tutorials and share this video to support the channel. Now, I am going to create the audio. I use Google's tool to produce the sound.
I go to aistudio.google.com and select the Turn Text into Audio with Gemini card. In the Mode section, I choose Single and set the model to Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. I pick a voice actor, paste my text, and in the style instructions, I tell it to use a motivational tone. Then, I click Run to create the voice. When the audio is ready, I download it and bring it into my editor with the photos. Finally, I match the images to the correct parts of the narration and export the final video.